Okay, here is Susie Cute's little boy. It's a case of Spot the Teddy. And here he is. Hello, little man. You're only little. Are you so cute? Come here, Papa. Hello. G'day. What do you want to say to people? Oh, here he comes. Here he comes off to explore the teddies. It's getting dark. Susie Cute's little man and Winston Pooh. What can you smell? You ain't nothing but a little hound dog. Hey, little man. Where's your family? He's 5 weeks old, so ready to go in 3 weeks' time. Hey, Bubba. Which will be about May 10? Oh, don't you fall off the couch. I got you. I got you, darling. I got you, Bubby. He's a beautiful chocolate. He's a beautiful little man. Say goodbye. Say goodbye to everybody. No? Say goodbye. What you got? What you got for yourself? Say goodbye.